DJI has unveiled a new smartphone gimbal that offers several new features, including ability to record directly to the phone and a new tracking module. The gimbal is available for purchase in China. It comes with company's 3-axis gimbal stabilization technology, but offers 360-degree unlimited horizontal rotation. It allows users to capture smooth 360-degree panoramic photos and videos even while tracking the subject. It comes with built-in extension rod that can tilt the gimbal forward to capture low-angle shots. It features an improved tracking module. It offers an integrated tracking, audio recording, and fill light with adjustable brightness and color temperature. They claim it can have up to 10 hours of battery life, but also charges a phone via USB Type-C. It has a fourth generation magnetic clamp, which is now stronger and supports phone with larger, heavier camera modules. It has ActiveTrack 7.0, which is supposed to improve tracking overall. Users can enable dual camera tracking with the new DJI Mimo app. It's priced at $125 in China. It comes with OM magnetic phone clamp for the new multifunctional tracking model, charging cable, and other accessories. You get a vlogging kit that will cost you $140. It's available for purchase via DJI online and offline stores in China. Also from JD.com, Tmail, and soon.